Hello students, today we will be doing NCERT book exercise 8.1. So the first question is determine in triangle ABC right angled at B. Now see. So it is right angled at B. Triangle ABC. Okay, now AB is your 24 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. Then we want to find out sin A. Now you know sin A is your perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos A is your base upon hypotenuse. Okay. Now this is a right angle triangle and right angled at B. So using Pythagoras theorem you can calculate AC. So it will be 24 square plus 7 square. So it is 24 square is 576 plus 49. So it is 625. So it is 25. Okay. So you can do like this. Sin A is this one. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 7 and hypotenuse is AC, that is 25. Now cos A is base. Its base is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Okay. Now the second part is, this was your first part. Second part is sin C and cos C. We want to find out. So write first of all sin you are calculating, then it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos C it is base upon hypotenuse. Now for angle C, now see, for this angle C, perpendicular is side opposite to it, that is 24, upon hypotenuse for this is your this 25. Now for this C, the base is this one BC, that is 7, and hypotenuse is your 25. So this is the way how you have to solve it. Okay. Now after this, the second question is in figure 8.13. Okay, find 10p minus quarter. Now we want to find out 10p minus quarter. So first of all you should know 10p and quart r. Okay. Now from this, now this is a right angle triangle and perpendicular is 12 centimeter and hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem you can calculate this side QR. Okay. So QR is 13 square minus 12 square. 13 square is 169 minus 144. So it is 5. So this is QR is your 5 centimeter. Okay. Now 10p See, this is your 10p. It means 10p. The formula is perpendicular upon base. And for cot, reverse of it, that is base upon perpendicular. Okay. Now see, it is 10p, means for this angle we want to calculate. Perpendicular will be side opposite to it, that is 5, upon base. Its base is 12. Now for cot R. Now cot R means for this angle this time. Base will be 5 and perpendicular side opposite to it, that is 12. Now we want to find 10p minus cot R. Okay. So it will be 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12. So it is 0. So the answer is 0. Now question third is sin A is 3 upon 4. Okay. Now we want to find out cos A and tan A. Okay. Now see, if we are having a right angle triangle, this is angle A, B, C, right angled at B. Okay. So sin A is 3 upon 4. You know that sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, that means 3 will be this one and hypotenuse it is 4. Now by Pythagoras theorem, AB equals under root 4 square minus 3 square. So it will be 16 minus 9. So it is root 7. Okay. Now, so AB is your root 7 over here. Now cos A is, you know cos A is your base upon hypotenuse. Now base is your root 7 and hypotenuse is your 4. Okay. Now what about tan A? Tan A is your perpendicular upon base. Now see, for A, what is your perpendicular? That is 3 and base is your root 7. So this is the way how you have to calculate it. Okay. Now come to question number 4. Given 15 cot A equals 8. Okay. Now we want to find out sin A and sec A. Okay. Now cot A is, or you can write cot A is 8 upon 15. Okay. And it is reverse of 10. That is, it will be base upon perpendicular. Okay. So now here, this is A, B, C. Now cot A, for this cot A, base is 8, perpendicular is 15. So now by Pythagoras theorem, AC is under root 15 square plus 8 square. So it is 225 plus 64 289, that is 17. So this side is your 17. Now you know sine is your perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is your 15 upon hypotenuse is your 17. Now sec A, it is the reverse of cos A. So it will be hypotenuse upon base. Now see for A. For angle A, hypotenuse is your 17 and base is your 8. So this is the way how you have to solve it. Now after this, question number 5th is sec theta is 13 upon 12. Now calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So what are the other trigonometric ratios? That is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta is given, and cot theta. Okay, so all these we want to calculate. So what you will be doing, first of all, sec theta is your reverse of cos theta. So it will be hypotenuse upon base. Okay, now first draw like this. Okay, this time we have to take theta. Okay, now hypotenuse is your 13 and base is your 12. So again by Pythagoras theorem, we want to calculate BC. So BC is 13 square minus 12 square. So it is 169 minus 144. So it is 25. So it is 5. So this side is your 5. So now you know sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, so perpendicular is, for this theta, perpendicular is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. For cos theta, it is base upon hypotenuse. So base is your 12, 12 upon 13. For tan theta, it is perpendicular upon base. So for this, perpendicular is 5 and base is your 12. Now for cosec theta is opposite of sin theta. So it will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So hypotenuse is your 13 upon perpendicular is your 5. Now for cot theta is reverse of tan theta, that is base upon perpendicular. Now base is your 12 and perpendicular is your 5. So this is the way how you have to calculate it. Now question 6 is, if angle A and B are acute angles. So angle A and angle B are acute angles. Okay, so you can say angle C will be is a right angle. Okay, now they are saying such that cos A equals cos B, means cos A is cos B. Then show that angle A equals angle B. Okay, now first take one triangle A, B, C. Okay, now see, cos A will be, cos is what? It is your base upon hypotenuse. Okay, so base is your AC and hypotenuse is AB. And for this angle B, now this time for B, the base is your BC and hypotenuse is your AB. So again, like this, you cancel this. So you are having AC equals BC. Okay, this side equals BC. So you can say that is angle A equals angle B. That is angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, so this is how you have to solve it. Now after this, question number 7th is cot theta is 7 upon 8. Now we want to solve this. So the first part is your 1 plus sine theta 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. Now you can write this as, that is a plus b and a minus b, so it will be 1 minus sine square theta, and you can write this as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, and by the first identity, you know sine square theta plus cos square theta equivalent 1. So from here you can write 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. Okay, or you can write it as cot square theta, or the value of cot theta is given to be 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 whole square. So it is equivalent 49 upon 64. Okay. So now the second part is cot square theta. So it is same, that is 7 by 8 whole square. So it is 49 by 64. So now question number 8 is 3 cot A equals 4. Check whether, now that means you can write cot A is 4 upon 3. Okay. Now we want to show left hand side is 1 minus 10 square A upon 1 plus 10 square A. Okay. Now take, draw one triangle. Okay, this is A, B and C. Then here cot A is 4 upon 3. Cot is reverse of 10. So it is base upon perpendicular. Now base is your, for A, base is your 4 and perpendicular is your 3. So by Pythagoras theorem, calculate this. 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9, that is under root 25, equivalent 5. So it is 5. So or you can write directly from here 1 minus 10 square a, that is it will be opposite of this, 3 by 4 whole square upon 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So it is 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. So it is 16 minus 9 upon 16 divided by 16 plus 9 by 16. So cancel this 16. 7 by 25. Okay. Now after this, right hand side. Now we have to prove left hand side equivalent right hand side. Okay. Cos square a minus sin square a. Now you can see cos square a. The value of cos a will be, that is cos is your base upon hypotenuse. So it will be 4 upon 5 whole square minus sin a is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So it will be 3 upon 5 whole square. So it is 16 upon 25 minus 9 upon 25. So it is 7 upon 25. So from here you can say left hand side equivalent to right hand side. So hence proof. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna and don't forget to press the bell icon for the newly update.